Hello, today I want to talk about something really interesting, how scientists are trying to bring extinct animals back to life. Extinction usually means that a species is gone forever, but now with modern science, this idea is starting to change. Scientists are using genetics and biotechnology uh, to try to bring back animals that disappeared a long time ago, such as the uh, Tasmanian tiger, also known as a thylacine. So, how do they actually do this? And the first step is collecting DNA, and scientists go to the museum and take samples from preserved animals, and these samples can be bones, fur, or tissues. Even though the DNA is very old and often damaged, scientists can still study it with advanced technology. They can rebuild or complete parts of DNA sequence. And the next step is gene editing, and the scientists use a tool called ScriptBR, which allow them to change DNA very specially. They take a living animal that closely relates to the extinct species and edit its DNA to make it more similar to the extinct one. For example, in the case of the Tas Tasmanian tiger, scientists may use the small marsupial or escapades, and after that they move on the embryo creation. They create an embryo using the edit DNA. This embryo contains the genetic information of the extinct animal, or at least something very close to it. Then comes the role of the sur- surrogate mother. Mm, surrogate mother, and the embryo is placed inside the living animal, which carry the and develop the baby. If everything goes well, the animal will grow and be born, just like the normal baby. And however, this process is not easy at all, and there are many challenges. First, the DNA may not be complete or accurate. The second is scientists are not always sure if the new animal will behave exactly like the instinct one, and there are also ethical questions. Some people ask if we should really bring back extinct animals, or if we should focus more on protecting animals that are still alive today. And another problem is the environment. Even if scientists successfully bring an animal back, its natural habitat may no longer exist, and this means the animal might not survive in the wild. And even with these challenges, uh, this research is still very exciting. This so how this is how powerful science has become, and it's also helped us learn more about life, uh, evolution, and how species change over time. And in my opinion, this technology is both amazing and a little bit scary, and it gives us hope, and it also reminds us of the responsibility. Instead of mm, instead of only trying to bring animals back, we should do more to protect the ones that are still here. So, bringing extinct animals life is no longer just scientist fiction. It is becoming a real possibility. And but at the same time, we need to think carefully about how and why we do it. And that's all my this all my thing I know about this. So thank you for listening.